Welcome back to Python test driven development, guys. And in the last video we finished up our family tree class. We wrote down all the integration as well as unit tests for our class. In this video we are finally going to move on and write tests for our main handler file, which is going to be geektrust.py. And without further to do, let's actually start looking at the guidelines. So before looking at the guidelines, guys, I think we should save our progress. So this was our last log, so we should definitely look at the status. And if you look at the difference for family tree, we've added, see guys, this is why I look at the diff, because of these lines. We are not supposed to have these red lines over here. So in family tree we're going to just remove these lines over here because these are unwanted lines. Then now I have everything set properly. We had added a try and catch for add spouse and add child. So we are going to add family tree. Now let us look at the difference in our test family tree. Get diff, and here as well we have unwanted lines above add spouse. So let's look at something above add spouse. Oh, it was in the integration test if I'm not wrong. And above add spouse, there was a line over here, and this will go over here. So let's see that. Yep, so let's add that as well. And finally get diff family tree.py. Yeah, so we're going to add that as well. So let's clear our screen, and the log message was get completed family tree dot family tree dot family tree class. So let's push that. So guys, before I start writing code, I want you guys to pretend that you are some other developer who is working on a separate branch on Git, on the Geektrust file, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to check out on another branch later. We are going to call it develop Geektrust, and what's going to happen is we are going to basically like merge all these things later, so that you know how exactly software is written in the real world as well. So we are going to first check out to master. So right now you see all of this code, right? You see all of this code. As soon as I check out to master, look at the code, there's nothing over here, right? That's because none of it exists in the master branch. Okay, sorry guys, one thing I need to do is I haven't saved the guidelines file. So the guidelines file has not been saved. I need to look at the status, add all git commit -m modified guidelines as well, then push origin develop. now what we are going to do is we are going to close our file, and then we are going to so now let's check out to master, and in the master branch we don't have code at all, right? We have nothing over here. So these are all the caches that we have, so we need to get rid of the caches as well. But as you can see, there's no code, there's no guidelines, there's nothing. So imagine you're some other developer who is developing the Geektrust module in this particular uh, this particular branch, right? So we are going to check out from here. We're going to say git checkout minus v develop Geektrust, right? So right now I think we are on develop Geektrust. So guys, we'll start our code here, and then what we are going to do is we are going to create our very first file over here called geektrust.py. This is supposed to be the main handler, and the only thing that I'm going to write is if name equals to main, print hello Geektrust, and we're going to test this. We're going to write this line over here, and we get hello Geektrust, right? So guys, we will start writing code in the next tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. I just wanted to set things up real quick. So in the next tutorial we'll start going through the Geektrust module, and we'll start writing our code. So till then, see you guys, bye.